Hello traders, welcome back to another trade breakdown video. Let's start our trade breakdown. My trading session is start from the 9 p.m. New York time. There was the fresh market stocks to the downside like this. You can see. Let's just play out here, and there is no any counter trend level also, because this 1 hour zone, this 1 hour market structure is not valid anymore. So there is no any special counter trend zone, but we can take this because this is the valid 1 hour zone. And after that, on the 15-minute, you can see there is one level. This is like this. This is not the valid structure because there is no any CCT candle continuation like this. In this structure, there is no any candle continuation like this. CCT means candle continuation theory, which means this bullish candle high is closed by this bullish candle. So this is the CCT. Like this, you can see there is no any candle close above the candle. That will be the consecutive same color candle to form the CCT. And also there is no any engulfing. For the valid structure, there should be the engulfing and also the CCT. If you don't know how to mark the market structure, I suggest you to watch this playlist so that you will get everything about the market structure and my strategy. Here it formed the market structure break, and this is our support become resistance level, and this is our apex level. And let's go to the 3-minute time frame. On the 3-minute time frame, you can see there is the black candle formation. You can see I use this inverse fair value gap. Currently I am using this inverse fair value gap, and if you are new, you can just search Rodel on the trading view and you can add these two entry confirmation indicators. And yeah, let's see, I usually put my trade into break even after the 1:1.5 RR, and it hit 1:1.5, and after that it went up and it become the break even like this. And let's see, there is no any black candle here for the sell trade, and again you can see there is the break of this zone. So this zone is not valid anymore for the sell trade, so we have to wait for this apex for the next selling zone. And let's see, and market tap into our apex, and yeah, you can see there is a 5-minute fair value gap which is not broken yet. So we have to wait either this fair value gap to broken like this, or it has to sweep the liquidity above this high. So now this fair value gap is active, so we can take trade at this level like this. So we will wait for the 5-minute and 15-minute fair value gap to close like this. You can see now this fair value gap is closed, and you can see, and I took my trade at this level and accelerate this level. I suggest you to wait for the closing of both 5-minute and 15-minute fair value gap, because this 2 time frame fair value gap plays an important role in your entry. And I'm expecting that market to touch this level so that this trade can be the break even, but unfortunately you can see this level did not tap and it hit my SL like this. You can see this is the one SL that I took today, and yeah, it's completely valid trade. And again you can see there is the breakup structure to the upside, and also there is the zone. This is the external zone and this is the internal zone. You can take both zone because the most of the time market can continue from the external also. If you take directly like this without the indicator filter, this indicator did not print white candle because there is the one reason: this candle doesn't have any wick, so that it did not form white candle. If there is no wick, most of the chance market should get weak, and in most of the case this weak market come to feel that weak. So I put my indicator a filter that if there is no wick in the candle, so that candle won't give any confirmation. Selling zone like this, you can see a counter trend zone on the 1 hour time frame, and if you go to the 15-minute time frame, there is the zone, you can see, and this zone is closed, so we did not get any entry here. And after that you can see my trading session is closed after the 11:45 this candle. So yeah, there can be the buy entry like this, and you can see there from the bullish entry confirmation, but this is the out of my trading session, and also there is a 5-minute fair value gap also. So yeah, this is not valid anymore. You can watch this complete playlist for understanding of my strategy. And thank you so much for watching till the end. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for the daily trade breakdown video like this, and you can also join the Discord community for the discussion regarding trading.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.